guys, we're going to look at our vehicle health scan. First things first, we're going to make sure we're connected. Dongle ready, connected to the vehicle. We have a battery maintainer on. We're going to want it on a battery maintainer for our deep health scans. If you're off-road and you're doing a quick scan, it's probably not necessary. But if you're going to be changing something or doing a deep scan, as it cycles through the modules, it can pull down the voltage, so you want to keep it on a maintainer. We're going to be keying on engine off. It mentions it here. You don't want the engine to be running, you want it to be in that position. First click, key on, engine off. Quick vehicle health scan. This communication box will hide the communication faults, so if two modules take too long between to talk to each other, it's just going to hide those so it doesn't clutter up our screen. We'll click our quick health scan here. It's going to show our vehicle health scan. You can see what the codes are. Active problems are happening now. There's something wrong with the airbag control module. It's current fault code, one that we should address immediately. A yellow one that is not active. We don't have any right now. And we can turn all this off. And you can see the gray fault codes, which are communication events. Those are oftentimes just modules taking too long to talk to each other. It's going to tell you what you'll notice, what's on the dashboard, usually none. What recommended actions are, clear the code, recheck. Transmission, we're seeing a fault code. Did not receive an expected message from another module. This is another fault code. Usually it'll tell you exactly what you need to check, what you'll see on the dash, and the recommended steps. So now we can do a deep scan here. We'll make sure we're on a battery maintainer for the deep scan because it's going to run through every module, which does drain the battery. It'll tell you right here to connect the battery maintainer or charger. It's going to take about 20 minutes. Key on engine off. So you want to make sure that the voltage is high enough. Click yes, and it will move through, and we will come back in a little bit. So the scan takes a little while. You can see the codes here. So looking at the faults, again, you can hide the gray communication faults with this little checkbox. This one is seeing different faults that it didn't notice in the quick scan. So if you're chasing something, it's definitely valuable to use a deep scan. The next step would be addressing whatever issues you have, and then you can quick clear it. You can ask if we want to erase the modules, and we're going to say yes. It's going to ask us to turn the ignition off. It'll start counting down once we do. Then we'll turn the vehicle back to the key on engine off position. So it'll re-step through and it'll show us what isn't cleared. It'll have them written here. These are the things you'd want to address. You need to take a short drive after doing this, and you can reread it after driving and see what keeps coming back. You can save it as a PDF or a text report as well. You can save it as both. This one saves in the coding back up here, as well as here where it's saved to. It's saving it as a text. This is saving it as a PDF. It's more readable. It shows here where this one's been saved. It'll open up in the browser, so you can see the output there. VIN, mileage, the vehicle information. It's a larger scan, so it has more modules in it. We can scroll down and you can see more information therein. Go to the module, I'll give you the information, things that you can see on the dash, recommended steps. This one is very long because it has all the information from everything in the deep scan. And same thing with the bottom, it has the indication of what the colors mean. And that is what we have for our vehicle health scan.